Welcome! In this video, you will find useful visuals and tips for the planet's Space Hazards Engineering Space Gloves unit. In Adventures 3, 4, and 5, learners test materials to see how well they protect us from space hazards like cold, impact, and dangerous dust. First, we'll do the cold station tests. Each group will test model gloves with a different material. We'll use sponges as our example. Note, they must be dried out for the tape to stick. Learners test out their designs with a cardboard hand so that their body heat doesn't affect the results. Plan ahead so that you have ice ready for the test. Here is an example of good insulation because the temperature is dropping slowly. Here is an example of poor insulation because the temperature is dropping quickly. Next up is the impact testing station. The skewer models a tool being used, and the washer weight models a rock falling. Each group will test different materials for their glove design, similar to the previous test. This time, we will show cotton balls as an example. For this test, spaghetti in a glove models bones in a hand. This example shows the washer weight falling on the hand, and the broken spaghetti modeling what could happen to an astronaut's hand. Let's move to the dust testing station. The dust testing station is now ready for testing when the sand and glow powder have been added to the tray and the washers have been hidden beneath the sand. Paper towels and a black light are also needed. Learners will retrieve washers from the pan. Then they will need to wipe the glove once with a paper towel before viewing the results under the black light. It might be useful for learners to find a darker place in the room or turn the lights out. They will need to record the dust in 4 areas of the glove. For example, it looks like we have dust in areas A, B, C, and D. Yikes! Or whatever the result is. Dust can cause a variety of issues in space. In Adventure 6, learners will use the results of these tests to guide them as they choose materials, design, and construct a model space glove. It must protect against space hazards, but also allow for the use of tools. Each mission has specific criteria. For example, if we choose the moon mission, we need a glove that will protect us from cold and dust. Here's a tip. Have learners test for dust before they test for cold, so that it doesn't stick to the moisture left from the cold test. In all activities, make sure learners know to reset each testing station when finished. Nice work! Check out our website for more on space hazards.